Thank you, Dr. Liu. I have another question about the vaccine drug trials. The question is
Mhm.
hydrochloroquine and remdesivir. Which one is more effective against COVID-19? And when should one use these drugs? Does UChicago Hospital use one or both of them to treat patients?
So you should only use them if your doctor tells you to use them, just because they're still being tested. Right now, no drug has been proven to be effective for treating COVID. So both hydroxychloroquine and remdesivir are being tested in clinical trials at the University of Chicago. So if you do get sick and you're interested, remdesivir is available in the inpatient setting, which means you have to be sick enough to be hospitalized in order to be eligible for that trial. But hydroxychloroquine can be used on the outpatient basis. And we can give you some information about that trial if you're interested. You're eligible if you take it within the first 72 hours of getting sick, though. So there's a time window for that. So bottom line is we don't know what works and what's not, what doesn't work so far. So please don't be looking for any of these drugs by yourself. We've already seen some people die from taking drugs that they're not supposed to be taking.
And just one follow-up question with that. Could you clarify, so University of Chicago Hospitals is using these drugs as a part of a clinical trial, which is a part of research. Does that also mean that they're using them to as a part of clinical care?
Yeah, they're using it for treatment, but in the setting of clinical trials.
I see. Thank
So
you
for
so much.
example,
Yeah,
in order to get remdesivir as a treatment, you'll have to be enrolled in the clinical trial.
I see. Thank you so much for the clarification.